Alright guys, how's it going? If you've been following along with the latest Blender development, you'll notice that they're doing a lot of stuff on the VDB side. And one of these new features is the Volume Displace Modifier. Now, truth be told, it's pretty early days, there's a lot of work still to be done, but it's looking pretty promising. So the best thing I can do is show you how it actually works. So we'll quickly jump into Blender and I have the Cezanne head. Now, I'm using today's daily experimental build, so it's 2.91 alpha, and obviously the date is 11th of October. So what I need to do here is, I need to go to add, go to volume, and then add an empty. Now there's several things we can do, but I'll just show you the object data properties here for the volume. And you'll notice that there's a couple of new things been added. I'll then go to the modifier tab, I'll add in a modifier, and I'll do a mesh to volume. And I'll use the dropper tool, and I'll select Cezanne, and you can see here, it's automatically done the volume. So what I'll do here is I'll just quickly hide the mesh object and we have a volumetric Cezanne. Pretty cool. Now we can put the density up and we can also change the voxel amount, and I'll just make a 64. But the new modifier is pretty cool. So if I go to add modifier, volume displace, I'll assign a new texture. And what I can do here is I can just use something like a clouds. And we get something like this, and I can play around with the scales, and obviously you can build modifiers on top of other modifiers. So if I quickly go back to the modifier, add modifier, volume displace, and I can do another modifier texture, and I'll just add in something like, let's go for a noise, and we get this really cool effect. Now I'm fully aware you can already do this with nodes, but having it as a modifier and being able to stack the modifiers and then you can go on top of nodes, it's opening up a lot of potential. Anyway, that's pretty much the new volume displace modifier. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, support me on Gumroad, you know what to do.